Hey guys, hope you're well. In today's video, I'm going to draw Stumblebot MK2. So I'm going to start with the body shape like that. That's a construction line. And then his head shape. His head is slightly wider than his body, and it's a rounded sort of shape like this. And then his arms are going to come off here with one hand there. The other hand's going to be here with the arm coming off, and then the legs are going to be one leg there, and the other leg's going to be down there with the foot. Now you can see that I'm drawing it in fairly sketchily just to make sure I've got it all looking good. Yep, I'm pretty happy with how far everything is. Now it's time to add the details. So I'm going to start with his chin. So bringing a line across like this, and then back up for the other side. And then we're going to bring down the mouth there, and we don't see as much of this side because he's looking this way. Okay, this comes up and curves back in, across, down, and then this actually comes in there. There's a ear type looking shape that comes down to about there. Okay, that's one side, and try and keep it the same on the other side, down to there, and then up like this and around. So there we have the side of the head. Now he has this little antenna, and then it's like a lightning bolt. Bzz, bzz. Up like that, and then a circle on top. Now we've got to draw his face. Because he's looking this way, we will see there'll be a bigger gap here to compare to this side. So it's a rounded rectangle shape, and that's black. And these eyes are actually yellow. Because that's black, it's okay. Alright, yellow eyes. One shape like so, and another shape like so for the eyes. Now you can draw in pencil if you like, or pen, it's really your choice. Now he's got his neck, comes down like so, and then let's bring a line out like this for one shoulder, and for the other shoulder, curve it down. Now for this part, we're going to bring his arm where it joins the body like this, and it's a curved shape. So you can see some of this side here where his arm joins in. But on this side, you don't see it. So we're going to bring this line down. You see the arm bit like this, but you don't see the arm actually going into there. Alright, let's finish his body off. So directly underneath that we come down and around and round it off like this. Okay, and then we're going to bring this part of his body across, up and in and out like that. Now he has a chest plate on. Again, because he's looking more this way, we see that it's going to be directly sort of underneath the eyes, and it's a bit of a shape like this with 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, a couple of buttons, green and a red. Now let's draw his arm on. His arm will look like this. So we're going to bring this line down and this line down, try and keep them the same, and then we're going to bring some lines on the arm, and then we've got this little shape here. So it's almost like what we call a octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides with a circle inside and then a line. So it's like a bolt. It's where his arm bolts on. because it's 3D, he's got these claws. So let's bring a claw out like this. It comes into that side there, and then you see this side of it. Now on the other one, you see the inside, so we've got to bring a line out like this. Bring it around and up into there, and you see this side like this. There you go. There's one hand. And he can do that with his hands. Now let's have a look at this other one. Let's start with the circle. That's where we want the circle, same size as that one. The screw there, and then we're going to do an 8-sided shape around it. This is one of the trickiest parts of the drawing, and because we're looking more directly at this, we don't see much of the side. So this is the longer bit, comes around there, and then this is the shorter part that comes in like that. So notice how that one's longer and that one's shorter, same. And then we bring this up, and it comes out from there like that. And we've got 1, 2, 3 lines, and 3 on that side as well. When we add colour, the details will look much nicer. Now, his legs seem to come out from a little bit there, and a little bit there. It's almost like he's got shorts on. Robot shorts. Let's draw a line coming down for his leg, and then this one comes sort of bends a little bit, and then he's got 1, 2 fold lines there, 1, 2 there. Now he's got his boots on. Let's start with a line around there. Let's start with a line around like this. Comes down, around, up, like a boot. Then let's draw the sole on for that side, and then this one we look more straight at, so it's sort of like a shape like that with the front of the foot, and then the sole of the boot.